Hi guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies. I hope you're all well. Today we've been fitting one of our custom roof modules, this time to a Mercedes CLK 280 from memory. It's a 2008 57 plate Mercedes. This one's a little bit different because it can, if your SLK doesn't have the coming home feature, the lights where they turn on at night or off and all that sort of stuff, we can program it with this module. So it's a little bit different. This car's already got auto lights, but it works the same way. So first and foremost, I'm going to show you the remote window opening. So using your Mercedes key fob, it's 2 presses. 1, 2. Windows go down. And then to close them again, it's 1, 2. And then the wing mirrors will fold in, and then hopefully all being well, there they go. The windows are going up remotely. So what we're all here for is the remote roof, so that you can do it whilst you're sat at the pub, all that sort of stuff. So again, with your roof, with your remote even, it's 3 clicks of the unlock button. So it's 1, 2, 3. Now a little bit different on these modules is that as you're doing the maneuver, as in doing the remote roof, your indicators are flashing. So it's a bit like a warning, amber warning system, so that it shows that you can do it. You can program the features to do it either to flash up the indicators or not flash. It's entirely up to you. And again, because this is the Mercedes platform, it's a bit different. So using your multifunction steering wheel and the driver's information system, you actually get the settings in there to be able to program it, which is pretty cool. Right, so manoeuvre's now finished. Car will sort itself out in a second, and then the manoeuvre is complete. So indicators have stopped flashing, your roof's now down, and your windows are back up. So to close it, again, it's just the 3 blips. 1, 2, 3. Again, the wing mirrors will start flashing, and so will the front and rear indicators, and then the procedure starts for closing the roof. Now it is a slightly older vehicle. The CAN bus isn't as fast as what it is on the BMWs, the newer ones and all that sort of stuff. So you do have to give it a bit of time, space out your clicks. That's where people seem to fall over. And this install, if you're doing it yourself, is done down in the driver's footwell. Pull out all the gubbins, makes it nice and easy. This installation for us took about an hour. So if you've got a Mercedes convertible and you want to be able to do the remote roof, you can get in touch with us. It's www.advanced-incar.co.uk. Send us a quick contact form, send us your vehicle information, and we'll do all the necessary checks. And thanks for watching again.